Hi everybody, this is Marjorie. Welcome to my channel. And this is my good friend Nan. And she's also my next door neighbor. If you're new here, please subscribe and ring the little bell, and then you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And just for the record, Nan and I are planning on doing this at least once a week to get back to you and fill you in with what's going on. So, we've decided to entitle this episode True Confessions, for those of you that are old enough to remember True Confessions magazine. Or was it a show?
That's before my time.
Okay. Isn't she cute? Anyway, it is before her time. I'm much older. Anyway, so this episode's going to be the good, the bad, and the ugly. And so the good, well, I don't know if it's good, but I've been off YouTube for a year now. So you're probably wondering, where has she been? Well, that's the good. I went on 2 cruises, one to Alaska, along with a train ride, wonderful luxury train ride afterwards. And we went on a Caribbean cruise, which was really awesome. And we went to London, Paris, and Barcelona each for a week and stayed in beautiful bed and breakfast type inns. And the most romantic thing was the cruise on the river, the Seine River, which was I got to see the Eiffel Tower sparkling and illuminated at night, and it was our anniversary special romantic dinner cruise. And then right afterwards, my iPhone got stolen on the subway. So, but still, I feel so thankful that I got to go on those trips before all of the COVID and everything hit. And let's see. So also, the bad is I went off keto. I had kind of planned on going off keto, but I was going to eat low carb on all the cruises and the trips. And I probably gained half of my weight back. And then when I got back, I gained the rest of it back. So please don't hate me. I'm going to tell you what happened. So the ugly, the good, the bad, and the ugly was me. Every time I walked past a mirror, I was so mad at myself. And then I thought on June 1st, that's it. I'm done. No more. We're going to get back on keto. I'm not feeling good. I've put on this weight. And, I know how amazing I felt on keto. So I decided that even if no one's going to see me, I'm going to see me. And I have been down. Oh, and Nan sees me. But you know what? We see each other, the good, the bad, and the ugly, all the time. We know when our floors aren't clean.
We have clothes on right now.
Right.
That sounds wrong. But.
Okay. So some of us have clothes on. Anyway. So the good news for me is also I am down since June 1st, 22.5 pounds as of today. Thank you. Yay. And, oh my goodness. Oh, that's only 3 minutes. I thought it was 13. And I'm going to tell you real quick how I have managed to get half of my weight back. Well, not quite half. Half of my weight back off again. I have been sticking to basics. 20 carbs or less a day. That's basically keto in my world. I'm 69. I will be 70 in November. You can all forget that right now. And intermittent fasting is my other thing. I get up in the morning, I have my cup of coffee with a little bit of cream, and then I have, I wait until 2, and I have my main meal, and then I stop eating by 6. If I eat more than one meal, it's usually just a few macadamia nuts, maybe some Fage yogurt, the zero fat, and that helps me get in my protein. And then I add a little bit of stevia, not stevia, but the Mio lemon drops. And then I weigh every day, or if I feel like I'm not going to get good news, I might weigh every 2 days, every 3 days. But I weigh regularly so that I can't just slip up and start putting on again. And then I use my chronometer. I do not do anything daily, but I do try to enter my macros into my, the food that I eat, so I can keep track of my macros. And I've watched my YouTube buddies, my favorite ones from back when I lost all my weight. And this time I've been getting a lot of information from Tammy from Keto and the Chaos. She's amazing. She shows her food, she gets right to the point, and she's just fabulous. She's lost so much weight, and she's really a guru to me. And then there's Sarah, sweet Sarah from Pearls of Wisdom. I love her. She's my age, and she shows me what she eats. She does OMAD most of the time, I think all the time. But I mean, those are the ways I get ideas from what I should eat. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. And so we'll be back in a week, and I'll tell you again the good, the bad, and the ugly. If I've been sticking to it and how much weight I've lost. So, okay, Dan, it's all your story now.
Well, I have been on and off of keto before, and I've been off for quite a while now, probably close to a year, and had gained some of the weight that I've lost. I'm about 18 pounds below my all-time high from keto. Last Saturday, Friday night, went to a friend's, had a really good time, came home Saturday and just decided that was it. The friends that I was with, she's lost about 80 pounds on keto, and it really kind of got me motivated. And so I did about a 30-hour fast with just water, electrolytes, and a splash of lemon juice.
Kudos. I've never been able to do that.
So from there I went on. I had 2 days of eating just one meal a day, and now I'm eating 2 meals a day. And I have been eating a steak, and then Marjorie introduced me to a fabulous, where I take the Premier, the Quest protein shake. We add 2 eggs to it, a little bit of stevia, and
today I added coconut and made coconut cream. And that recipe comes from Tammy from Keto and the Chaos. We want to give her credit. Yeah. Excuse me, I'm sorry.
Yeah, so it's really easy. So I've done that, and so far, I'm hoping that this will really keep me on track. I mean, my goal is to consistently lose 2 pounds a week. I have some life changes coming up, and I'd like to be really set for them. I'm going to be retiring shortly after the first of the year, and I would like to be about 49 pounds lighter than what I am right now. So that's my ultimate goal. And
how much have you lost so far, did you say?
I've lost 9 pounds total since.
In how long?
I started a week ago yesterday.
Wow. And that happens a lot when you first start.
The very first week you can expect to lose more. So,
on any diet.
Yeah. So, I don't expect to lose 9 pounds every week. That's why I say my goal is 2 pounds a week.
I will kill you if you lose 9 pounds.
So, but I have Margie teaching me so much, because I don't know a lot.
It's just the blind following the blind. Nan's a nurse. She does know a lot.
Well, I've found for myself with keto, the more limited of food that I have, the better I do. If I start cooking a lot, then I want to go back and re-eat those foods, and I want to try other ones and all. So if I really, at this point, while I'm just getting back to getting started, I have found the fewer foods that I'm actually dealing with, the better. The other night, I called Margie up, and my husband was making something in the microwave, and I'm like, oh, it smells horrible. And Margie's like, then you're probably in ketosis, and went and got my stick out, and sure enough, it was purple. So that was encouraging, and that was good. And I'm a total carbaholic, so for me, not having this whole week, I've only had 6 grams of sugar total. So
wow.
So that's
hard.
But I have to be that dedicated to kind of break it for myself. I'm very, very sensitive. If I have any sugar at all.
But don't you notice? Oh, and electrolytes. We didn't mention that, but we need to both keep on our electrolytes, because you will really lose better if you're keeping those electrolytes in. But you know what? This video is getting long. So we're going to have to call it quits. And anything else?
No.
Okay. So we'll see you next week.
Next week. Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
Thank you.